station is West Hamptons.
Unlike the rest of us, sex, lies, and scandal never take a vacation. Instead, they take the Long Island Expressway and head east to the Hamptons. Some would say summer is their busiest season.
Yesterday was a Friday night in New York City, which typically means I had tons of plans and I'm going out and drinking and whatever, but for whatever reason, I wasn't in the mood, and I'm a firm believer that you shouldn't force anything, so I stayed on the couch as all of my friends were either out of town or going out with other friends, and I had a moment when I was sitting there where I was like, why am I here? I love the city. We all know I love the city, but when it's 85 degrees, there are so many better places to be. So right there and then, I checked the train schedule, I bought myself a ticket, and I headed out to the Hamptons. And that's where we are now. So I figured I could take you guys along. I know how much everybody loved my Hamptons content in 2020, so I figured it was about time to bring it back, and we're gonna have ourselves a very wholesome weekend. We are gonna put on a bathing suit and head outside because it's literally 85 degrees and it looks so beautiful. I missed it here so much. There we go. This bathing suit is giving highlighter, but I'm not mad at it. Everybody needs this bathing suit for the last few weeks of summer because it makes you look 10 times more tan than you already are. It's from Revolve by the brand Love Wave, and it's just so flattering. I love it so much. TikTok the other day, and it was like influencers showing their morning routine, and it was like them doing something and then walking away from the camera and then walking back and grabbing the camera and putting it in a different spot. Basically me in every single one of my videos. Anybody who watched my vlogs during 2020 know the deal. One time I sat down on one of these pillows and there was a massive spider. So we're not gonna let that happen again. Magic. What is the magic? I could have it at night. Our kitchen looks like a crime scene, but my mom just went ahead and made some watermelon margaritas. These are her specialty. They are absolutely amazing. So we just have a watermelon margarita with some tahini on the rim. This is everything I need right now. My parents have a few of their friends at the house this weekend. Actually, they're my mom's friends from high school. People she's been friends with since she was like 14. And it's really sweet seeing their dynamics because they are all, you know, not 14 anymore. They're all grown adults with children, and they still somehow act like they are in high school when they're all together in the best way possible. And it's really cool because I watch it and I can see me and my friends doing something very similar years down the line. It's also really nice to see my parents so happy and having so much fun with their friends, because I know that that's something that they want for me all the time. But they have quite a few people here and they are going to work on just being like the best host possible. And one of the nights of my birthday a few weeks ago, I did a Grease, like ABBA themed night, and it ended up being so much fun. So my mom took inspiration from what I did with my friends and is doing something very similar tonight with hers. I have been sitting in this spot for 3 hours and I'm not even done with the video. And honestly, it's only my own fault because I'm just such a perfectionist. I just edited the 10-second intro for about 45 minutes. Like, for what? For what? I'm gonna try and wrap it up in like the next 20 minutes. And then after I do, I'm gonna schedule it to go live tomorrow morning and I'm gonna go to bed.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do?
whipping out another Revolve favorite tonight. This dress is from Camila Coelho, and I really want to get a picture of this on the beach. The sunset tonight is not looking very promising, so I don't really know what we're working with, but regardless, I wanted to make sure that I had a chance to wear it this weekend. I obviously got a tan today. I spent all day out in the sun, which was so nice because in the city I don't get to do that nearly as often as I'd like. So to say the least, this weekend has just been so rejuvenating, and it was exactly what I needed. I was about to open my fortune cookie. See what we're working on. I almost read. It says hop at another fortune. Secondfortune.com. Okay, wait. If strength were all, Tiger would not fear Scorpion. What does that mean? Okay. I just really can't get over how incredible the month of July was. July is always my favorite month, and I think I'm a little biased because it's my birthday, so it's always something that I look forward to. But this past month blew all of the previous 6 out of the water. Like, easily the best month of the year, and quite honestly, some of the happiest moments I've had in a very long time, which is saying a lot. Of course, I'm sad to see it end because it was just such an amazing month, but I have a feeling August is gonna give it a run for its money. Like, I already have some amazing things on the calendar. I have a feeling some other things are gonna end up popping up along the way. There's just a lot to look forward to lately.
I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19. So many different scenes, growing from what I've seen.
Today is of course a work day, and I have 2 longer training type meetings this morning, and I'm really grateful because I can take those from out here. I don't have to contribute nearly as much as I would have to if it was a smaller external meeting, so I can get some color. Hopefully, it's just like such a beautiful day, enjoy my coffee, and also get some work done. I'm not gonna lie to you, today was kind of the ideal work from home day. I worked outside at my patio pretty much the entire day. My computer died at one point, so I went up to my room. I got so much done, feeling so productive, and now I'm done. The workday has completely wrapped up, and I still have hours of sunlight to go in the pool. It does not get better than that. I don't get too many of these because I tend to get very comfortable in the environment that I'm working in, hence why I've extended this trip from a 2-day trip to a 4-day trip, because once I'm here, I don't want to leave. It's the same way where once I'm in the city, I don't want to go anywhere else. But I definitely need to take advantage of the rest of the summer and just work out here as much as possible. I actually have, at minimum, 1 more trip out here for a very fun event that I'll tell you guys about in another video. So I'll be back soon. It's just, this has been a really, really nice few days. My diving board consistently gets the best sun in my entire backyard, so I will be here until the sun goes down. And maybe when the sun's going down, I'll go to the beach because I have a good feeling about tonight's sunset. Also, if you guys haven't already listened to Sabrina Carpenter's new album, you must. It's so good. This palette from Sephora collection, the Trio Face Palette, I don't know, amazing. Blush, are you kidding? Some say I go overboard. Others say that I'm glowing. I would like to go with the second one. It's just the prettiest blush. Oh my god.
Just take it slow.
My mom is wrapping up her last few calls of the day, and her and I decided to go and grab dinner. I don't know where we're gonna go yet, probably somewhere in West Hampton, but I have to look at where has any availability considering we don't have a reservation. All I know is I I'm not in the mood for Mexican food, so I'm gonna try and steer clear of that. And I need to be sitting outside because it is such a beautiful night out, and I think the sunset's gonna be really pretty. So if we're not gonna be on the beach, I gotta be able to see it.
It's slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. From now I will feel the ocean view.
Can I get a grande brown sugar ice shaken espresso? Can I get that with sweet cream foam on top? Thank you. Thank you so much.